tutorial for those of you who are having problems opening Gephi for the first time because it keeps giving you a Java error. Let me show you what that error looks like. So if I go to Gephi here, it says cannot find Java 1.8 or higher. The problem is not that Java is not installed. The problem that you're having is that the Gephi version that you have is not pointing to the right Java directory in order for it to be able to run. So Gephi, remember, is written on top of Java, which allows it to run both on PC and a Mac. So we need to tell Gephi essentially where to find Java. It's really easy to do that. So let's get out of here and click on your Windows Start button right here at the bottom. Scroll all the way down. Click on the File folder here, File Explorer, and then go to C, Program Files x86, and scroll down to where it says Java. Double click on that, then double click on whatever the last version of Java that you installed is. So I have two versions here. I want to open this one, right? So I installed that last January. Okay, so open that. This is all we need to do here. We need to open, copy the path. So click here on the address box, right click and say copy. Then you can close that out. Then go to your start button, scroll all the way down to where it says Gephi. Click on that. You should see startup settings. Click on that. And it should ask you, how do you want to open this conf file? Conf means it's a configuration file. So if you don't see Notepad at the top, just click on see other software or whatever that prompt was, and then choose Notepad from the list. But I have it listed here, so that's what I'm going to do. Close that, or choose that, click OK, and then you should see something that looks like this. Go to Format, Word Wrap, so you can see the entire thing. What you should notice here, all the way down at the bottom, you should see something that looks like this. Default location of JDK JRA, which means Java, can be overridden by using JDK home directory dir switch, and then you see something like this. Now this is going to be very different on your computer. I just didn't remember what the default was, but whatever it is, select it, make sure you don't select the quotes, delete, and then right click and paste the path that you just copied that tells it where Java is. And then where it says JDK home right here, delete the pound sign. Okay, that's all you need to do. Then go File, Exit, and Yes. And that's it. Then you start running Gephi, and here you go. All good to go. So good luck, and let me know if you're still having any problems opening Gephi.